How to set up Poly Studio V72. Setting up your Poly Studio V72 video bar is quick and simple. The Poly Studio V72 comes with the Poly Studio V72 video bar, USB-C to USB-C cable, AC power adapter, power cord specific to your region, LAN cable, HDMI cable, and wall mount kit. All other mounting options are sold separately. You can use your Poly Studio V72 as an external video and audio device for your computer, whether that is a PC-based room system or a personal notebook. To set up, start by following the instructions included with your mounting kit to mount your Poly Studio V72 video bar. Read all instructions carefully, as some options may require you to use tools not included with the kit, such as a screwdriver. Then, plug one end of the USB-C to C cable into your Poly Studio V72. Plug the other end into the computer in the room, following the instructions for your computer to determine the correct port. The Poly Studio V72 may be provisioned directly with Poly Lens or as part of PC-based room using Poly Lens Room app. To provision directly, plug the LAN cable into the Ethernet port on your Poly Studio V72 and an Ethernet port on your network. Also connect the HDMI cable from the HDMI 1 output port on the video bar to an HDMI in port on a monitor so that you will be able to access the device IP address. You may disconnect the HDMI cable after this. An LVLAN port is available for cases in which it is required. Finally, plug in the AC power adapter. Your video bar will power on automatically. Now that setup is complete, enjoy your Poly Studio V72 video bar.